Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about dictionaries in Python. In Python, we use dictionaries for data collection. These dictionaries are very similar to map data type in other programming languages where we use key value pair. In Salesforce Apex or in Java, we have map data type where we have key and a value. So similarly, the dictionaries in Python are very similar to that. Dict is the method which we use to define dictionaries in Python. Let's see this example. I have an variable called values, and then I am initializing it at line number 8. For key 1 I am setting it as red, for key 2 I am setting it as green, and for key 3 I am setting it as blue. I wanted to print what is the value for key 2, so I'm using colors values of 2 so that it will display the value for key 2. Let's run this example. So for 1, 2 and 3 keys I have red, green and blue. I wanted to print what is the value for key 2, so it should display green for me. So it displayed green. Next we have get method. It is very similar to the previous example what we saw. Instead of colors values of 2, we can make use of get method where we can pass the key and then we can return the value. The only change in the above code is we used the key inside the array brackets. Instead we can make use of get method where we can pass the key and then we can find the value. So I'm saving the code. It should also return green for me. If I use a different key here like 1, for key 1 the value is red, so it's displaying red for me. Okay, next we are going to see how to check whether a specific key is contained. So here I don't have a key called 5, but if I try to use colors values.get of 5 at runtime, it will throw an error saying that there is no key. But we should never program in that way. Before using a key and getting the value, we have to check whether that particular key is present or not. So for that we can make use of in operator. Let's use the same example here. Colors values, I am making that as dict, and I am using key 1 as for key 1 I am setting the value as red, for key 2 I am setting the value as green, and for key 3 I am setting the value as blue. If 2 is available in colors, then it will display the what is the value for key 2, else it will throw an error saying, or it will say or print that 2 is not available. But here as per the declaration or definition, for 2 key I am setting the value as green, so it should display green for me. Next I have another if else condition where I have 5 in colors values. Here 1, 2, 3 are the keys. I don't have 5 key, so it will go to the else condition and then it will display 5 is not available. In Salesforce Apex map data type we use contains key method, but in Python we use in statement to find out whether a particular key is available in the map. Let's run this example. So it should print green for me because 2 is available in the colors values dictionary. 5 is not available, so it should display 5 is not available. See, it printed the value of 2 key, and for 5 key there is no value, so it went to the else statement and then it printed 5 is not available. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.